next I want to talk about solving a system of equations by substitution. We've done this before, actually, when we were solving word problems involving parameter and things very similar. So what we want to do is when we're given two equations, we want to solve either of the equations for one variable in terms of the other. Then we're going to substitute the expression that we found into the other equation and solve. This will give us the value for one variable, and then we can substitute back in again and solve for the remaining variable. And then of course you always want to check your solution. So let's go through an example of this. So here I have 5x minus 4y equals 9 and x minus 2y equals negative 3. I can solve for either x or y. I'm going to do whichever one makes my life simpler. So I'm going to solve for x by adding 2y to both sides. I get x equals 2y minus 3. I can then substitute this into my original equation. I would then have 5 times 2y minus 3 minus 4y equals 9. I get 10y minus 15 minus 4y equals 9. I combine like terms and add 15 to both sides. So I get 6y equals 24. So I would get y equals 4. In order to solve for x, I can substitute that into either of my equations. It doesn't matter. I'm going to substitute it into my first equation. X minus 2y equals negative 3. But now I have x minus 2 times 4 equals negative 3. So I have x minus 8 is negative 3. I add 8 to both sides. I get x equals 5. So my solution is the ordered pair when x is 5, y is 4, and I would need to go ahead and substitute that back into both of my equations in order to check my solution. So always remember to check your solution. For this next example, let's go ahead and simplify the equation on the left first. I have y plus 1 equals 5x plus 5. Luckily, I already have the equation on the right, okay, solved in terms of y. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute that in. So I have 5x minus 1 plus 1 equals 5x plus 5. Here I get 5x equals 5x plus 5. I subtract 5x from both sides. I get 0 equals 5. This is a false statement. When I got a false statement before, what did that mean? Okay? Well, this false statement tells me that there are no solutions. If I get a true statement, there are infinitely many solutions. And if I get a false statement, there are no solutions. Let's go ahead and solve this third example. If I take 3x minus 2x and substitute in for y, I have 4x plus 2 times 3 minus 2x equals 6. 4x plus 6 minus 4x equals 6. I get 6 equals 6. This is a true statement, so there are infinitely many solutions. So if you looked at a graph of these two lines, they would be the same line.